Did you know that while everyone was talking about crisis and tariffs, something epic was happening in the markets? Today, I'm going to show you the truth that nobody wants you to know about Bitcoin, gold, and the stock markets. And at the end, I'll drop a bombshell that's going to blow your mind. Before we dive into this madness, hit that like button if you want more content like this, and subscribe so you don't miss a drop of this golden information. Ready for this roller coaster? Let's go! We're starting with something that's going to surprise you. Remember when in March and April everyone said the markets were going to collapse because of tariffs? Total lie. Look at this Dow Jones chart. Boom! We just broke through 45,000 points, surpassing the November 2024 highs. That zone that was previously resistance now becomes our safety floor. And you know what's the most incredible part? The S&P 500 is being led by the banks. JP Morgan is flying high. This bullish trend has only just begun, friends. But wait, if you think stocks are crazy, wait until you see what's happening with crypto. Bitcoin just did something brutal. Perfect bounce at $110,000, as we predicted. Broke a key bearish trend line, surpassed resistance at 113,500. But you know what has me more excited? The whales are buying like crazy. Just yesterday, we saw a purchase of 78,000 Bitcoins. 78,000! Can you imagine the power of that transaction? And Ethereum isn't staying behind. It respected support at $4,200 and also broke its bearish trend line at $4,500. The exchange-traded funds are receiving institutional money like there's no tomorrow. And gold? Please! How can you not love this golden giant? It broke the technical triangle at 3,400 and now it's in consolidation mode. You know what this means? It's preparing the next rocket upward. Gold is in positive GMA, taking a breather for the next bullish leg. It's the perfect refuge in this extreme liquidity environment. And here comes the bombshell I promised at the beginning. Everyone talks about the Fed and its quantitative easing, but there's a new protagonist pulling the strings from the shadows. The Treasury Secretary. What is this genius doing? Trick number 1 issues only short-term notes, instant liquid money. Trick number 2 does not issue long-term bonds. Trick number 3 uses that liquidity to buy 10-year bonds. Result, double liquidity injection. It's like doing quantitative easing without calling it quantitative easing. Brilliant. And now the Fed is going to cut rates. The market is already pricing in 75 basis points through December 2025. Remember when they terrified us saying tariffs were going to create massive inflation and economic stagnation? Here's the proof that it was pure manipulation. Yesterday's inflation data is brutal. Basic products inflation 1.5% below the 2% target. The increases came from housing 3.6%, used car 6%, and airline tickets. Do you see tariffs in that list? Me neither. The conclusion is crystal clear. Stocks, bullish trend confirmed. Bitcoin and cryptos, whales are buying. Gold preparing the next rocket. Liquidity flowing from multiple fronts. Inflation, tariffs are not the problem. We're in the perfect storm for risk assets. What do you think? Do you already have your position taken or are you still waiting? Let me know in the comments. Hit like if this information blew your mind, subscribe for more explosive analysis, and see you in the next video. Have a spectacular day.